Do you have any suggestions for biomedical datasets that we could feature on the website? Do let me know. Ideally, there will be Creative Commons 0, like public domain, but other Creative Commons licenses should be okay. Yeah, I literally thought this one is EEG from cats. Well, yeah, it's just an example of how you should probably name better, give better names to your files. Because, yes, I'm sure someone did record EEG from cats. But this one is actually categorical. So, but yeah, the description of this dataset is not great. Yes, it had many views, many downloads, one citation. I assume this is public domain as well, this paper. But yeah, generally don't like showing like logos and things. Yeah, some companies and stuff are overly sensitive about this kind of stuff, but I assume if it's a company that's actually publishing public domain data, well, the data is not theirs. The data was given to them by someone. Yeah, what are the BDF files? Do I want to know? You know, obviously the viewer doesn't do anything, so that's what we could fix. It's raw EEG, so raw is nice, always good. For the study, what study? That's actually a circular link. It's going back to the same page. Just like, okay, don't include circular links. There's no point. But then, so it's a biosemi data format. I assume it's well, this is a company name, but I assume the data format is actually open source or open access or whatever name you call it, one that you actually know what the format is. So I wonder if GPT knows how to parse these files. So files with only 2 label in the file name were recorded during the reported 1 exemplar categorization task. Okay, so we need to know what the task actually is. RB2 files were recorded during a reported 2nd exemplar categorization task. So there's 2 categorization tasks, and then you have resting state, which is always good to have. Except that don't necessarily know what the tasks are. Couldn't find it. Yeah, this DOI just goes back to the same page, so not very useful. You'd think there will be a link to a paper or even better information in the metadata. Yeah, I think someone forgot to actually include the description of the dataset. Yeah, Creative Commons 0, it's very nice. There are different versions. Okay, there's actually 1.2. And that's not the one we're looking at. No, we are looking at 1.2. Yeah, so uploaded originally in 2019 and then something changed. So you always wonder. That's not very useful, is it? They just changed the version number. Okay, not very useful. Which I'm thinking there's no proper description for what the data is. It's probably an indicator of the quality of the dataset. Can you access it? The dataset's too large. Come on, really? Is it that large? 48 files. Most of them like 70 megabytes or so. That's why I have the number of downloads, and the first file was downloaded almost 500 times, whereas other files were downloaded like 80, 90 times. So you have a lot of people, looking at the data, probably didn't do much with it. I don't know. Yeah, all BDF files, there's essentially no description. They're meant to be, again, in the metadata, you're meant to have a description of what the files is. So yeah, let me know if, and this paper is actually citing the dataset. They're probably using other data as well. Yeah, they used the 2 datasets. 45 healthy and 77 alcoholic participants. It's fine. Why mention it then? For the purpose of the current study, recording only from the healthy control subjects were analyzed. Okay, what's the point? So why did you use the dataset? Oh, okay. Sorry. The number of male and female participants were not made public. Okay. All the subjects in data set 1 were right-handed. Okay, you're already disclosing some personal attributes. What is selected? Was it a condition that they would be right-handed? Why is it important? Without any known neurological history, obviously was a condition. A more detailed description and the demography can be found in the dataset repository. Okay, let's check it out. Dataset 2 also available publicly. Did they say that the first one is available publicly? It's actually said something was not made public. Okay, it's suggesting that it is public dataset. I'm a bit confused. And that link just goes to... Doesn't it go to the correct place? Dataset 2 included EEG recording from 16 Texas State University undergraduate students. 8 male, 8 female. Mean age, students. Okay, it's healthy. But they were doing some sort of task. And yes, there's 2 papers. Okay, if nearest neighbor, entropy estimate, complexity, and interrogation from ongoing and stimulus evoked. What's the stimulus? Okay, is that the same? Yeah, it's the kind of stuff I'm talking about. So, yeah, you have a reference in the paper. Raw EEG data files, 2019, available online. Well, then you go to that link and you get a not found error. Yeah, the usual. Obviously, there's some politics and stuff that this dataset went through. I assume it moved over here. Database, dataset. And this one has a DOI, so supposedly this link should never go away. But how does it really work? I mean, the DOI will never go away. The DOI will be linking to referencing some page, but that page might just disappear. Yeah, this is very messy. I found the same author just published another data set. That's kind of similarities in the description. Yeah, I kind of lose trust. Mainly because there's no direct description in the repository. And that BDF is a variant of the European of the EDF with high resolution. Okay. So if I'm able to parse an EDF, I should be able to read the BDF as well. Actually, is there a JavaScript library for EDF? Do we want to try it straight away? Or yes, apparently there is a JavaScript library for EDF. Okay, can we quickly touch on the license that the GitHub repository is using? Can you find out what BioniChaos is currently using as a license? Yeah, we'll be updating the website today and tomorrow. So stay tuned for updates. The search function meant to be better now, and there's a new bunch of new tools that are coming through as well. So do check out the website regularly for updates, and I'll obviously update on YouTube as well. And do let me know if there's any comments, questions, suggestions, complaints, all welcome, because the site is under development, so I can actually address them in real time, or almost real time. And I'll see you next time. Bye.